Iveco Group NV is a global leader in the automotive sector, active in the commercial and specialty vehicles, powertrain, and related financial services segments, with a diversified business portfolio that includes 8 brands. With a highly complex B2B network, Iveco Group relied on their in-house teams to manage the day-to-day activities of their network. However, rapid business growth caused the cost and complexity of the network to soar and increased their annual B2B transactions by a factor of 10. To address this challenge, they moved their B2B integrations to OpenText B2B managed services. With OpenText now handling the complex demands of their trading grid, Iveco Group reduced their cost and streamlined their processes. Within just 2 years, through its partnership with OpenText B2B Managed Services, Iveco Group increased their monthly B2B transactions from 50,000 to more than 500,000 documents per month. This partnership gave their supply chain the agility and responsiveness it needed to pivot quickly based on market demands while keeping cost and complexity under control, freeing the business to focus on its core sustainability mission.